Welcome to our video on the Rosewill Helium Air Mid-Tower E-ATX gaming case. This case offers exceptional cooling with its 3 full mesh panels, ensuring maximum airflow for your gaming setup. Let's explore its features and benefits in detail. The Rosewill Helium Air case provides ample cable management space with 34 mm behind the motherboard tray. This allows for neat and efficient cable routing, resulting in a clean and professional-looking interior for your gaming rig. Experience efficient cooling with the pre-installed 140 mm PWM fan. The case supports up to 7x 120 mm or 6x 140 mm fans, and multiple radiators, including 360 mm radiators in the front and top for extreme cooling potential. The tool-free design of the Rosewill Helium Air case allows for hassle-free building. Easily access and customize your system without tools, making component installation and removal quick and easy. Enjoy modern convenience with front panel USB and audio ports. Thank you for watching our overview of the Rosewill Helium Air Mid-Tower case. With its high airflow design and user-friendly features, it's an excellent choice for gamers seeking performance and convenience. Stay tuned for more product insights.